Hey guys, so in today's video I will be guiding you how to set up and try out localization simulation within Unity editor. So first of all, if you have not done Multiset Unity SDK setup already, you can go to the documentation of Multiset Unity SDK and follow all these steps to first download and install the package within Unity. And once the package is downloaded, you can also go ahead and download all the sample scenes. So once all the sample scenes are loaded, next step would be like providing the updating your client ID and client secret in your config file, multiset config file. So once that is done, I let me quickly open the Unity SDK sample scene. So here what we have to do, we can try out the localization simulation in any of the scene. Like we can try inside localization, single frame localization, model set tracking, or navigation and training scene as well. So for this particular video, I will simply using localization scene. First of all, open the scene and select Multiset SDK manager. Make sure you have already updated your client ID and client secret, and then you can select map localization manager. Here we have to use MapCode. Now how to get the MapCode? We can go back to Multiset developer portal, select the maps tab, and copy desired maps MapCode and simply paste it here. Once the MapCode is entered in this map localization manager, you can go to map mesh downloader and we can download the mesh. Now simply click on the download mesh button and it should download the mesh and load into the scene. So we can see the scene, the mesh is loaded here. Okay, now to try out this localization simulation, first of all we have to simply fetch this list in the simulation data manager. Now how do we get this list? First of all, to capture the simulation dataset, you have to use Multiset mobile application and capture the dataset, and then once you have captured the dataset, you can see this list. Now you can select which particular dataset you want to try the simulation with. So if let's for example for this particular map, I would like to try out this living simulation dataset. I can since I have already downloaded, it is showing the dataset is already downloaded. I just have to play the scene and hit on the localization button. So let me quickly show you that. Now I will simply hit the localization button, and we can see the scene got localized. Now how do we confirm? Because this is the exact same position where I took the images, or this particular localization simulation dataset. So this is how it will work. If I simply choose a different one, even if I simply right now navigate to any different part of the map, and if I hit again this localization, it would again fix the localization at the same position. Right now, if I want to try out with a different one, that that also I can choose. So if I select a new one, make sure to hit the download selected simulation button. It will download the data. Let me again, this download will only work in it will not work in play mode. So we have to stop the play and first select this and hit on the download button. So this is downloaded. Now I can play the scene, and since this simulation dataset is already selected, I will just have to hit the localization button, and as we can see, this also got localized. Now we can also try this localization simulation for model sets. So let me open the model sets scene, and let me copy one model set code. Let me try out this one. Okay, this is already copied. I will first of all I will download the mesh. Mesh is downloaded, which we can see here, and now I just have to select the simulation data, which is this particular one. This is also already downloaded previously, so I just have to play the scene. I can simply navigate using ESDW button and simply hit on the localization button. So as we can see, this is also localized, and we can see the cool animation around the model set. So this is how you can try out this localization simulation within Unity editor. Yeah, thanks.